Hello and good day, Rehmani here, and welcome to our channel. Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey as we embark on a 5-segment series dedicated to a topic critical for every entrepreneur and business owner, and that is lead generation and conversion. Whether you're involved in an online business, network marketing, or any other industry, mastering this area is the cornerstone of your success. Throughout the series, we will be breaking down the intricate details of how to attract and retain customers, the very lifeblood of your business. To ensure that you don't miss any part of this essential series, remember to subscribe and like our channel. Stay tuned as we delve into the secrets that unlock the potential of your business. The following is what we will be covering. Segment 1, understanding the importance of leads. First, let's talk about why leads are so vital. They are not just potential customers, they are the opportunities that keep your business thriving. Without a steady flow of leads, even the most promising of businesses can struggle. We'll explore how leads are the oxygen that keeps the fire of your business burning. Segment 2, the challenges of lead generation. Generating leads is often the #1 struggle for businesses. It's not just about finding people, it's about finding the right people. The challenge doesn't stop there. Once you have these leads, how do you convert them into loyal customers? This segment will delve into these challenges and set the stage for the solution ahead. Now that we understand the challenges, it's time to turn them into opportunities. Segment 3, strategies for effective lead generation. Here, we will introduce you to the most effective strategies for lead generation, from leveraging social media platforms to optimizing your website for search engines. We'll cover a range of techniques. We'll also discuss how to create compelling content that attracts and engages your target audience. Segment 4, converting leads into loyal customers. Generating leads is only half the battle. The next step is conversion. This segment focuses on how to nurture your leads, build trust, and eventually guide them to make a purchase. We'll talk about personalized communication, understanding customer needs, and the art of follow-up. Segment 5, maintaining relationship with your customers. The journey doesn't end with a sale. Keeping in touch with your customers regularly is crucial for long-term success. We'll share tips on how to maintain these relationships, encourage repeat business, and turn customers into brand ambassadors. To wrap up, we'll recap the key points and emphasize that mastering lead generation and conversion is a continuous learning process. It's a journey, but with the right strategies and persistence, it's a rewarding one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful business strategies and tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we will delve deeper into the world of effective online marketing. In the meantime, check out our free marketing resources at freedomlifebusiness.com. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.